Today I'm really excited. I just want to go and test this thing. So in my latest videos you could have seen it that I went anamorphic and I put in front of a 25mm C-mount lens an anamorphic adapter, and I'm using the crop mode 1x1 preset 1280p, and that squeezing it, I obtain a quite interesting anamorphic, recordings. But until today, I was just using, the adapter with the C-mount lens, and outside in bright sunshine I just had to use the aperture, and I was recording the footages like, I don't know, I think 2022, so almost closed down the aperture. So that's why I think obviously everything in the footage are in focus almost all the time, but that's a good thing also, so I like it. I don't have any problems with it, but still I wanted to test the bokeh. Now in order to test it, one thing I know is that I had to find a solution to be able in the bright day, if I want to record, to open up the lens, so leave it at the maximum openness, meaning the f 1.8. that permits a lot of light, but this will help me with the bokeh, so I can blur it out the background. So the idea was that in front of the anamorphic adapter I have to put an ND filter, and this is terrible because I couldn't find the possibility how to mount it, and finally I did this way, but I don't know if it will not influence the quality of the image and if it will not vignette. But we will see it. And what I will test is to see if on this anamorphic configuration I can obtain, blurry background, the bokeh effect on anamorphic, as I know that everything today is in focus. If I'm filming just simple, stepping down the f-stop starting from 8 to 22, and just there's no blurry background. But I want to try this out, and let me just go outside, start to film, and starting from now you will see the sequences that I made it in order to obtain some kind of blurry background. Obviously the next step will be to put a 50 or 75mm lens, and that will make much easier to create the background, blurry background. But for now I want to try with this 25mm. So let's just see the results.